ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ. ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ.
ಏನ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಡೇಮ ಇಷ್ಟು ಓದ್ಯಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದಾನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಖುಷಿನ ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕಟ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
So this happened in Navnagar, Bagalkote. A student failed all 6 subjects in his SSLC exams, and guess what his family did? They threw him a cake party. Abhishek Ellappa, a student from Basaveshwar High School, English medium, scored just 200 out of 625, that's 32%. Technically failed. Emotionally backed 100%. When Abhishek was just 15 months old, he suffered burn injuries on both legs. Since then, memory issues have made studying tough and exams even tougher. So when the results came and he was low-key crushed, his dad did not guilt trip. He bought a cake, fed it to him and said, "Exams aren't everything, try again." The whole fam, mom, siblings, grandma, stood by him with love, hugs and full-on support. This isn't about celebrating failure, it's about showing up when it matters most, because failing a test doesn't mean failing at life. To every student out there feeling like a number, and to every parent wondering how to respond, choose kindness, choose support every single time.